Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to cut and sew this funnel sleeve. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel after watching if this is your first time, and to my 10 subscribers, thank you all for supporting me. So let's dive right into the pattern drafting. So first thing is to measure the circumference of your armhole. That is where you'll be attaching your sleeve. Measure the circumference, and I have 19. My own is 19. Okay, this is 19. Divide by 2. I have 9.5. Then plus 0.5 swing allowance. I have 10. Then from that 10, I'll minus 1 inches. Okay, make sure you minus 1 inches because after covering out your sleeve armhole, you'll be having excess if you don't minus 1 inches. So now the height of this sleeve will be 9 inches. Remember, we minus 1 inches, so we have 9. Okay, that is the width. We'll be using 9 inches as our width. Okay, so we'll go ahead and chop down 9 inches. This is 9 inches. Okay, so after that, go ahead and draw a straight line. So the next thing I'm doing here now is to chop down the length of my sleeve. The length of my sleeve is 24 inches. That is from your shoulder to your wrist. Mine is 24 inches. Then you join it this way. After that, I'll go ahead and measure my shoulder to elbow. My shoulder to elbow is 13.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and chalk it down and draw out a straight line. This is my shoulder to elbow line. So the next thing I'm doing here now is to chalk down my sleeve cap. My sleeve cap is 4 inches divided by 2. I have 2 inches. I'm using 4 inches as my sleeve cap, but I will go ahead and divide the 4 inches into 2. So now I have 2 inches here. This is 2 inches and this is 2 inches, and in total is 4 inches. So now I'll go ahead and get the midpoint of this 9 inches. That is my sleeve width. The midpoint is 4.5. Then I'll go ahead and draw out a straight line. So from here, I'll curve it to meet the upper side. That is my, like curving out my armhole line. Go ahead and curve it out this way. And this is what we have. So the next thing I'm doing here now is to get the circumference of my elbow. The circumference is 13 inches divided by 2. I have 6.5 plus 0.5. I have 7 inches. So I'll go ahead and chalk down 7 inches here. So the circumference of my wrist is 9 inches. Divided by 2, I have 4.5 plus 0.5. I have 5 inches. And after that, I'll go ahead and connect the lines together. Okay. So this is what I have. So now I'll go ahead and add extra 4 inches to the length of my sleeve. Okay, from my wrist I'll add extra 4 inches. You can add 5 inches or 6 inches depending on how you want it, like the length of the funnel. But for me, I'll be using 4 inches here. Okay, so this is 4 inches. Then you go ahead and connect it this way. Okay, connect it this way, and this is what we have. So now I'm done with the drafting. I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so let's do that. So go ahead and cut out this part also. So now I'll go ahead and measure out the armhole. That's the armhole of my sleeve, to be sure I'm going to have 10 inches. Okay, remember we minus 1 inches from 10 inches. So let's go ahead and measure it out. So as you can see, we have 10 inches. Okay, that is why I said you should minus 1 inches from your 10 inches, so that after covering out your sleeve armhole, you will still have the same 10 inches. But if you use 10 inches after covering out, you'll be having like 11 inches. Okay, so make sure you minus 1 inches from your final answer. So now on this down part, I'll go ahead and get the midpoint. Okay, and draw out a straight line. Then you go ahead and cut it out this way. After that, you also cut it out this way. Don't cut everything out, just cut it very close to the line. Then repeat the same thing on this side. Okay, and this is what we have. Okay, make sure you cut it very close to the line, and this is what we have. So now we'll go ahead and start cutting out our fabric. Place your pattern on your fabric this way. Okay, make sure you fold your fabric into two, and this particular part, please cut it out. Okay, I forgot to do that, so cut it out, and this is what we have. So this down part, make sure you spread it very well, just the way I'm doing it, to give it that funnel shape. Okay, make sure you spread it, pin it down before cutting out. Okay, so let's do that. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Then you hold this part down too. Make sure you spread it very well. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. After that, you go ahead and start cutting out your sleeve. Okay, just watch the way I'm cutting it out. This upper side will be open. Okay, it's going to be open, and this is what we have. Bring out your pattern, and this is what we have. Then go ahead and fold your fabric again into two and cut it out. Okay, place your fabric on it and go ahead and cut it out. This is what we have. Then you go ahead and cut it out. Just watch the way I'm cutting it out, and this is what we have. So now we have four pieces of it. Okay, we have four pieces of it, two for left and two for right. So go ahead and join it. I've done that already. Join the base, the down part and the upper part, join them together, and this is what we have. Okay, you join the upper side and also join the down part, and this is what we have. So after doing that, the next thing now is to attach it to your cloth. Okay, pin it down round, then you go ahead and attach it to your cloth. So this is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share and like for more videos. And this is the final look after attaching it to my clothes, and this is what I have. If you haven't watched this video or the video on how to make this dress, please check on my previous video. Okay, I will attach the link on the comment section. And please subscribe after watching. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Bye.